Are you looking to create a stunning logo for your business without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 10 free AI logo maker tools that will help you design a professional logo like these in minutes. Let's dive in. At number 10, we have Logo Maker. It's a user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of templates and customization options. With Logo Maker, you can easily create a unique logo that reflects your brand identity. The intuitive interface allows you to experiment with different designs until you find the perfect one. Number 9, Canva, a popular design tool known for its versatility. Canva's AI-powered logo maker tool provides you with a plethora of design elements, fonts, and colors to choose from. Whether you're a beginner or a design pro, Canva has everything you need to create a logo that stands out. Number 8, Design Hill. This is another excellent choice for creating professional logos. This platform offers a seamless user experience, allowing you to browse through a vast collection of logo templates and customize them to your liking. With Design Hill, you can design a logo that captures the essence of your brand. Number 7, Looka. Looka, formerly known as Logo Joy, it's a cutting-edge AI logo maker that uses machine learning to generate unique logo designs. Looka's AI algorithm analyzes your design preferences and creates logos tailored to your specifications. With Looka, you can create a logo that resonates with your target audience. Number 6, Wix Logo. Maker is a popular choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to create a professional logo. This tool offers a seamless design process, allowing you to customize your logo with ease. Wix Logo Maker also provides you with branding materials to help you establish a cohesive brand identity. Number 5, Hatchful. Hatchful by Shopify is a user-friendly logo maker tool that caters to businesses of all sizes. With Hatchful, you can choose from a variety of logo templates and customize them to suit your brand's aesthetic. The platform's intuitive interface makes it easy to design a logo that reflects your unique selling points. Number 4, Free Logo Design. It simplifies the logo design process with its step-by-step approach. Start by selecting your industry, then customize your logo with Free Logo Design intuitive tools. This is a versatile logo maker tool that provides you with all the tools you need to create a stunning logo. The platform offers a wide range of design elements, fonts, and colors to choose from. With Free Logo Design, you can design a logo that reflects your brand's values and personality. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy to experiment with different design elements. Number 3, Logo.com. It harnesses the power of AI to generate logos based on your input and preferences. Its sleek interface and easy-to-use tools make it ideal for users looking for quick logo solutions. Logo.com provides a seamless logo creation process, from choosing a design style to customizing colors and fonts. Its AI-powered platform suggests logo options tailored to your industry and preferences, making it easy to find the perfect logo for your brand. Number 2, Vista Print. It offers a wide array of customizable logo elements, allowing you to create a logo that perfectly captures your brand's essence. Vista Print streamlines the logo design process with its collection of templates and mockups. Choose from a variety of designs tailored to different industries, then customize your logo with ease. Vista Print user-friendly interface, creating a standout logo has never been more accessible. Number 1, Adobe Logo. It offers a vast library of customizable templates and design elements, allowing you to create a unique logo tailored to your brand. Its intuitive interface makes the logo design process seamless and enjoyable. Adobe Logo Maker, part of Adobe Spark, offers advanced design tools for creating professional logos. With its integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud, You can access a wide range of fonts, graphics, and templates to bring your vision to life.